How to write a SEO friendly article using AI. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can write a SEO friendly article using AI. So for that you have to click the link in my description box, and once you click the link in my description box, you're going to land over here on this very website. And what you have to do is come to this message box and type over here, can you write a SEO friendly article for me? And once I type that, I'm going to come back. So then you just have to press enter, and here you can see that ChatGPT replies, of course I can help you write an SEO friendly article. To do so, I'll need a topic or subject you would like the article to focus on. Please provide me the topic and I'll generate a well structured and SEO optimized article for you. So what you have to do is just provide your article's topic over here in the message box and you're good to go. I'm going to provide health and fitness. And now just press enter again, and you can see that it is going to produce this SEO friendly article for you in just a few moments. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the process and found it easy, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.